Students, welcome to the class on business and society. My name is Rishi Chakravarti. I am assistant professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. Here, you will be learning about definition and nature of sociology. To begin with, it is important for you all to understand what is sociology, society, the definitions associated with it before I get into the depth of this particular course. In the introductory part, I will tell you that the basic objective of business is to develop, produce, and supply goods and services to the customers. This has to be done in such a way as to allow companies to make a profit, which in turn demands far more than just skills in companies' own fields and processes. The social skill of company owners, together with relationships maintained with customers, suppliers, and business people, are always vital if companies are to be run well and developed with a view into the future. Companies improve their resources by developing materials and ideas. The goods and services produced must meet the demands made by customers, other companies, or public institutions if companies are to survive. Profitability results when customers are prepared to pay more for goods and services than it costs to produce them. The ability to produce this kind of value-added profit is the basic prerequisite for business, but it is also a foundation of prosperity in society. Companies' basic commercial operations are the primary benefits they bring to the society. Supplying goods and services that customers cannot or do not want to produce themselves, creating companies' jobs for the customers, suppliers, distributors, and co-workers. These people make money to support themselves and their families, pay taxes, and use their wages to buy goods and services. Continually developing new goods, services, and processes. Investigating in new technologies and in the skills of employees. Building up, spreading international standards, for example, for environmental practices, and spreading the good practice in different areas such as environment and workplace. Thank you very much.